Hey all, and welcome to this Clip Studio Paint tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to copy and paste, drag and drop objects within the same layer. So by default, Clip Studio Paint makes it so that you have to copy and paste a layer or copy and paste an object on a separate layer and then merge those layers. So it can be a little bit tiring and cumbersome after a while. For my workflow, I like being able to do it all on the same layer. It saves time and just makes more sense for me. So without further ado, I will demonstrate how it currently is and then show you a really simple workaround. So currently what I do is I like to use the lasso tool, even though there's many ways to copy and paste. So I'll circle the object that I want. Notice I've got a vector layer here, and this method works with the raster layer as well. So I will have the object selected, hit copy and paste, and you notice that it makes a second layer up here. Then I can move it to wherever I want. I hit OK, and then when I decide, okay, that's the perfect setup, that's the perfect relationship between the two circles, then I right-click and click Merge with Layer. Now, if I select Object, you can see it's one object. Okay, that's the old method, or the default method. Let me step back a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna learn how to copy and paste within the same layer. I'm going to go up to File. This just requires changing a couple of settings, and it's very easy to get out of if you decide that you don't like it. Go to File, scroll about 3/4 of the way down to Modifier Key Settings. Control-Shift-Alt-Y if you want to memorize that for some reason. And you're going to see this dialog box here, and see my subtool lasso selected because I've got it selected up here. I'm going to go down to where it says Control plus Alt. So this is the function that we're changing. I'm going to select this, drop down here, and go to Change Tool Temporarily. And that's going to pull up another dialog box. We're going to find the Move Layer, and it's the third one down. So it's the Move Layer category, Move Layer subcategory, and the actual Move Layer. Click OK. Bam. So we've got now this third line down, Control plus Alt, changes the tool temporarily, and it's the Move Layer tool. Click OK, almost done. Now we want to select the Move tool, right up here, right above the lasso, and come all the way down to the tool settings, show subtool, brings up another dialog box. There's only one thing we have to do here. Keep original image. That's basically the function that says, hey, keep it on the same layer. Click it, and then click out. So now watch what happens. Come over here, get the lasso tool, select the object. Now on my keyboard, I'm going to hit Control Alt, and you can, if you're using a pen and tablet, you can set this as a shortcut on one of your buttons. Control Alt, and see how it changes to the scissors icon. There we go, and drop it. And if you notice up here, look at that, it's on the same layer. Same layer. Taking this even a little bit further, say you just want this section for whatever reason, Control Alt on the keyboard. And actually that looks kind of like John Lennon glasses to the side. So yeah, that's basically it. I think this is a great great method to use. It saves me a lot of time and makes life much easier. Hope you got something out of it, and have fun drawing.